We're live. I'm pulling up the chat right now. Hang in there, my friends. There we are. Hopefully this Wi-Fi is working all right. All right, here we go. Hang in there, my friends. What up, Dogelon Spoon? My man, I see you in the comment section all the time. What's crack-a-lacking? Just getting on to hang out. If you guys want me to go over any coins, teach you anything, I would love to do so. I really want to get into these charts. We're approaching these $45,000 levels here. We want to break these 45.8 levels as soon as possible. Although we were looking like buyers are stepping down. Now it's actually quite surprising that the sellers are not really stepping in as hot as they did, let's say here, right? Came up, pushed down, came up, pushed down. Here we're staggering higher. So it's a very good sign that the sellers are in fact twiddling away. What's up, George? I hope you guys are doing good. If you want me to do any, like, go over any coins, let me know. Cause yeah, I have a few coins I want to go over. XRP, I haven't done one in a little bit. I'm holding some XRP on the side. Not too much, but enough to care. It's looking alright. It didn't break this previous bottom, and it's continuing to make higher lows. Hardly, but we're doing it. So that's good. And especially here, right? Everything's just staggering higher at the moment. We'll probably see a retracement. Probably 30% retracement. 30% meaning like this is 100% of the move that we just saw. 30% being like here on everything before it moves to the upside again. Because any coin we look at is we're gonna see this, just a constant inflow of buyers pushing it higher, which means it's good. It's good. That means institutions are slowly buying their bags higher before this major spike, but they're probably going to give one last scare. Cardano really popped off, broke this downward trend line. Wow, that's pretty cool. So if you guys are holding Cardano, I actually used to hold Cardano. I think I sold at the 1.9 levels. Sold that for a minor loss, but I'm glad I sold it because look where it is now. If you're still holding, that's okay. Hopefully you've been averaging in, but Cardano's, it's an alright coin. It's an alright. There's a lot of like controversy around it, but we'll probably see a nice little retracement back down to here. If the markets decide to put in a double top on Cardano. Yeah, I've been watching Tectonic lately. I'll give that. I'm just a sponge, pour the knowledge. You know it, man. You know it. There's so much. This is just like technical analysis. I actually just got done. Okay. This here. I got done with a course video. A lot of you guys don't know how to sell at the top. And, you know, I'm making a course because you guys need to know how to sell at the top. So if you have over $300 into crypto, then I would highly suggest you go and get this course. The link's in the description. But it teaches you how to get in at the bottom, how to sell at the tops, and what to look for technical analysis-wise, along with emotional analysis-wise. So, Cardano, this is what we're looking at, okay? These are the daily candles. We're not looking at too much, right? Intraday trading, which means day-to-day. Swing trading is weeks. Intraday means day to day to like inside of a day. And what we're looking at here is pretty much month-long holds. How we're judging these charts on these daily candles. Each candle is 1 day. If you guys don't know how to read candles, I'll go over that real soon. Tectonic, I'll go over to there for a little bit. I've been hearing a lot about Tectonic. I hope it's doing good for all you beautiful people investing into it. Hey, 69. Do you guys want me to go over... Oh, yeah, I forgot. It doesn't have a trading view. Do you guys want me to go over candlesticks? Candlesticks. Let me know in the chat. If I don't hear a response within the next 30 seconds, I'll take that as a no. Tectonic is still looking down in the slumps. Volume is coming in. We saw a little spike here, and it is making higher lows, just like the overall market is. It saw some nice buying pressure around this previous low. It's looking nice. If you're holding it and you're in around these levels here, that's a good buy. If you're in around these levels, it'll probably still be a pretty nice buy because we are creating a new floor higher than what it was before. Now, it can always drop lower if the market drops lower. And if the market drops lower, expect small altcoins like these, where the market caps aren't even showing on CoinMarketCap, to absolutely tank, okay? Expect all your money that you put into these type of coins to be gone. Because most likely they will be. Okay, no one said they want to go over candlesticks. So I assume you guys know what I'm talking about. Know how to read candlesticks. XRP, Terra, Avalanche. Also am holding some of this. I haven't really looked at any of these bigger coins because I know in the long term all these are going up. Avalanche creating higher lows. It is indeed. This is looking very nice. All right. Look at this flag pattern we're creating. Boom. This is just a classic flag pattern. Okay. You see? Boom, boom, boom. It should break to the upside very soon. Flag patterns are about 40 to 60% successful. So it's nothing to really bank off of. If you trade simply on flag patterns, you're probably going to not make too much money because the success rate is not that high. I only trade with success rates 80 to 95%. And things like this, they don't even like pique my interest. But it's funny to look at because this is what most retail traders would trade on. Most people who are day trading trades off of crap like this, which is completely... If you want to lose money and not make consistent profits, then yes, that's a good way to trade. But if you want to make money, then there's definitely better ways to do so. Let's get into Dogelon Mars. I know you guys came to the video for that. So Dogelon Mars, this is looking... It's looking like a nice buying opportunity. Reason I say so is because it's very low. Volume is tapered down, but we have seen a little bit of spike in volume here. Now it's too premature to see if the markets are in a reversal pattern. The reason I say so is because Bitcoin has not held above this $45,000 levels for 3 days consecutively. We need to see that before it is confirmed that these previous resistances are indeed invalidated. Okay, we've got to see that. If we don't see that, then pretty much Dogelon Mars, we should expect it to come back down to these 6.3 levels. Okay, but we want to see that. Very, very much so. If we see that, Dogelon Mars will be heading up to these 12s in no time. So yeah, my computer's absolutely rocking right now. I can hear the fans going off, so I'm gonna switch up positions. I'm just chilling on my bed right now. Let's get lit in the chat. What do you guys want to see? It's so hot. Damn. Alright. These are daily candles. Let's drop to the 5-minute candles like we're day trading. 5-minute candles like we're day trading. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Okay, these 5-minute candles aren't even hardly anything. I need to go to an actual... you can make a lot of money going minute by minute. if you know what you're doing. They're good, but they're not good to trade off of because their success rate is very low. However, horizontal lines are very, very nice to trade off of. Alright, so let's say, indeed, we saw this break to the downside. Short comes down to here. Start showing buying pressure, sell. If it breaks through it, oh my gosh, you know where the next stop is? All the way down to here. Boom, you just made money, and a whole lot of it too. You're welcome. Crypto being is 69, dropping that knowledge. I texted you, bro, but you didn't respond. Did you just text me? Because I'm kind of doing a live stream right now, and I'm not staring at my crypto phone. Also, do you think SHIB ever reaching 0.05? Is it possible even with burn portals from developers? I'll look into that. I have been living on the Kronos blockchain lately. So many new projects. That's good. Yeah, one of my friends is really into like the CRO ecosystem. You know, like what's it called? He's into a lot of NFTs and stuff, but he lost like most of his money just because of this recent crash. He didn't hedge at all. I kind of feel bad for him, but you know, hey, people got to learn somehow. That's the type of stuff that I want to teach you guys, so you guys don't have to go through. Okay, that's what I'm here for. You don't have to make the same mistakes that I have made. Oh, look at this, $1,010. I remember looking at this when it was right below these $100. I was in high school, in the library, during my study hall. I was like, you gotta get in this. Talking to my librarian. And she was like, no, these things go up and down all the time. Alright. SHIB. We'll look at SHIB right freaking now. SHIB Inu. Shiba Inu made me a whole lot of money. So, I really like it. Kronos. Yes, sir. CRO. Shiba's up to 24. That's crazy, bro. It's like almost back down to where I bought it at. Like, if you don't know how to get out and you're still holding, holy crap. All right, let me give you guys a rundown of where I bought it at and where I sold it at. I bought it right around these 17s. All right. Right here. This is where I bought in, okay? I added more right around here. Where did I sell? I sold out right at these 6s. Right here. Okay? And it just came all the way back down. This is what you guys need to understand, because we are in a market low right now. We are creating another low, higher low indeed, which is very bullish, before our next spike. And you need to know how to get out at the top, okay? Lucky for you, I have that information. Check the link in the description, and you can learn it all. Because it's a lot of stuff. I can't go over it all on a live. It's a lot of information. SHIB, we'll look into it. Elon is my retirement plan. I still have SHIB. Elon I have very, very high expectations for. I'm very confident that we will see a nice big move. Holy, okay. In the future. We'll see a nice big move in the future. So SHIB is doing the same thing as pretty much all the other coins right now. It's just following it's following Bitcoin, it's following the overall market. As we can see, the low of this right here was this, okay? Boom, we did, wow, look at this. We did drop through this once, okay? Once, very briefly, we dropped through. Major buying pressure came and stepped in. This is almost automatic. This is in one day. We saw some major movement, and it closed back up here. I'm going to zoom into these candles, because those of you who don't know, this is going to make no sense to you. If you trade off of the lines, do some homework, man. You got to get yourself some knowledge, or else you're going to lose a lot of money, okay? So tune in. If you don't know how to read candlesticks, this is for you. Red candles start at the top, close at the bottom. The wicks are the prices that they reached. Okay, so that means this candle started at the top, had a little bit of buying pressure, came all the way down, and then got bought up and closed right here. Green candles are the complete opposite. They start at the bottom, and close at the top, okay? These thick parts are called bodies, okay? This is a thick body, all right? Get your mind out of the gutter. And these wicks here are called wicks or tails. It depends on what you're, who's saying it, but it doesn't really matter. You get the point. It comes up and it comes down and it closes, all right? It's really, really simple once you get the hang of it. And it shows you how the price is acting within an hourly, 5-minute, 15-minute range. All right, cool. I have 128 million sheep, 5.1 billion Dogelon, 1.1 billion Tectonic. Am I said to be a millionaire? I think you're on the way, man. I do, especially with that much Dogelon. I don't know how much the calculations are on sheep. And someone's calling me. I'm not answering that. Hey, Vincent, text Becca real quick. She just called me. But she might want to hang. We can go hang with her. If you want. My friend's over there doing, I don't know what he's doing. He's doing merch stuff. But, yeah, man, you're definitely on the right track. Just keep holding. Like, we're in a super good buying opportunity right now. A lot of people are selling off, which, that's normal. That's okay. Whatever 99% of people do, actually, whatever 98% of people do, because in the markets, the statistics is, I don't know if I really believe it, but 98% of traders lose money, okay? 100% of traders lose money. Everyone loses money. It's about what you net in the end. I don't know if 98% of traders net lose money, okay? But whatever most of the people are doing, normally the opposite is what is correct, is what is actually going to make money. Just look at what's happened in the past. Dogelon NFTs are about to drop, and also Elon coin where you can stake Elon. That's going to be very changing for this coin. And I said it in a couple of the videos now. I really hope they did it at the right time. Like, I hope they have everything planned out. And they know that the market is going to reverse. Because if the market, let's say the market just, God forbid, drops to 20,000, okay? I really don't see that happening at all. But if it does, then, Elon just used their marketing abilities and flush them down the toilet. The developers, whoever they are. So that's my only concern about it. I thought they would have waited just a tad bit longer until we saw some more green in the markets. Because if you look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, people are still not really wanting to put their money in. They literally just sold for a loss. Those people who just sold are not going to be too eager to put their money back into the markets right now. But they will be eager to put their money back into the markets once they see everyone else making money again. Okay? And that's how you know whenever we're nearing a high, is when you see a lot of people making money, a lot of people posting about crap. That's how you know you got to look for a nice little exit opportunity. Start taking some profits, because there's not too many more people to drive the price higher at that point in time. Anyways, Dogelon NFTs are about to drop, and also Elon coin. Yeah, that'll be cool. I'm excited for that. Wish I could afford 5 billion Elon. Amen. You can make a whole lot of money with the stuff you have right now, but you got to know what you're doing with it. Like, if you get emotional, all right, man, I got to help you out, all right? There's only 5 people in the chat, so I'm just going to go into, what to do. Because I don't want you freaking making the same mistakes I did. If you want more in-depth information, get the courses on Presale for 50% off, but I'm going to teach you some stuff right now. All right. Fibonacci retracement tool. Eric, do you know what that is? I'll take that as a no. All right. But let me know for real if you know what that is. Fibonacci retracement tool, I'll pretty much explain it really briefly. It's mathematical points that are naturally points of support and resistance. Okay, so come up, Resistance, right? Came down, support. You see this 0.5? That's exactly what you want to look for. This is what we want to see in a nice, healthy movement to the upside. So, that's what we saw, and this is why I added more bags, because I saw this, okay? Now, you move it even higher. See 0.382, okay? Now this, a lot of people got faked out here, okay? I saw so many people add so many bags here, and I didn't. The reason I didn't is because I saw that so many people were making money, and everyone and their mothers and grandmothers knew what Shiba Inu was whenever it was this high. It was the next Dogecoin, right? Literally beat Dogecoin in market cap. Shiba Inu was the Dogecoin killer. At this point in time, the second it crossed Dogecoin's market cap, I got skeptical and I started really looking for points to average out, because that's their whole community. That's what their community was built around. And the minute that they actually achieve their goal, the community is just going to dissolve because they did what they set out to do, right? So this is above Dogecoin, right? A lot of people were adding in on this dip. This is where the moms, the pops, everyone who doesn't know what they're doing, getting into crypto for the first time, they're adding in right here, okay? I was just watching, and I was watching very intently. I saw this little spike, and I was like, I don't know if I'm feeling this, man. This third candle here. Then I saw another red candle. I was like, all right, no. I sold out around these 6.2s to 6.5 levels, everything, all of my portfolio, okay? Came back up, staggering, okay? And I knew, all right, we're making lower highs here. We're making lower highs. Like, this is going to the slumps. So I was very happy with my investing decision before it even started going downwards. And ever since then, people are probably still holding their bags here, okay? But there's a lot to learn. Like, there's a lot to learn emotionally wise, what you need to look for in the people around you. Technical wise, what you got to look for in the development of the coin, right? What their goal is and what the price action is showing. The volume, candlestick, support, resistance, and so much more. There's a lot you got to look for whenever you're trying to sell out at the top. But it's really simple once you get the hang of it, and you can just rinse and repeat this information over and over for the rest of your life. Not just in crypto, but in stocks as well. Okay? Stocks are the same thing. Like, it's all just price action. And once you can read price action and dictate when to get out, then you're going to be making money the rest of your life. All right, if you see here, this is a Tesla, but it just rinse and repeats over and over. All right, let me read some comments. Is 100 pounds enough? Enough for what, man? Enough to make 1,000? Yeah. Enough to become a millionaire? No. My goal is 150 million SHIB, 6 billion Dogelon, and 2 billion Tectonic. That's freaking dope. You can get to 6 billion Dogelon. I believe in you, man. You're almost there. You got like 0.9 billion. Is 100 pounds enough, dude? If you add 150 to that, then you can get the course and learn how to make money for the rest of your life by selling at the top. Links in the description. Eric Scott. I am just going to hold until I can sell half to pay my house off. My man, you're going to get emotional whenever the market starts going off. Like, whenever it starts going up and you start seeing money flowing in, and not even into your account, but you're going to start seeing profits like you've never seen before. And you're going to be like, I just want a little more. I just want a little more. That's when you need the right foundation and support around you to tell you, all right, man, you're getting greedy and you really need to look at this with no emotion, or else you're going to kick yourself. I've made those mistakes in the past, and you don't have to make them, okay? So find a nice group that will help you keep your head straight, man. If you're not in the Patreon, I think you are in the Patreon. I don't know. But if you're not, check it out, dude. Like, You actually need it. Especially if you're holding that much, the Patreon is not that much a month. And it is definitely worth your headspace. You don't have to worry about it because we're all there and we all know what the hell we're doing and we'll help you out. 6 billion at almost 6,000. I got an Elon at the end of October. October. It's a sheep. Oh. Heck yeah. Did she text back?
No.
They're probably going out or something. I mean, it's a Saturday night. What else would teenagers do?
She just opened now, snap.
Oh, okay. I'm looking up here. Dude, I'm already seeing the future. I'm looking up here for Dogelon, but it's in like the 100th place right now. It's on the second page. Where's she at, baby? 140th or something like that?
By the way, Dodge just hit 14 cent.